Samsung is preparing to launch its next-generation high-end tablet, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, which is expected to bring significant improvements in performance, display, and features. While the company has yet to make an official announcement, leaks and rumors suggest that this premium tablet will set a new standard for Android devices in 2025. Designed to be more powerful than ever, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is anticipated to offer cutting-edge hardware, a stunning display, and advanced capabilities, making it one of the most sought-after tablets of the year. Samsung has a reputation for crafting sleek and stylish devices, and the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is expected to continue that trend. According to leaks, the tablet will feature a massive 14.8-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1848 by 2960 pixels, delivering sharp, vibrant visuals. The 120Hz refresh rate will ensure smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and an overall seamless user experience, making it ideal for browsing, gaming, and creative tasks. Additionally, support for HDR10+ will enhance color accuracy and contrast, providing an immersive viewing experience for high-quality content. Under the hood, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is rumored to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, a fast and efficient chipset designed to handle demanding tasks such as gaming, video editing, and multitasking with ease. The tablet is expected to come with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance even when running multiple apps simultaneously. Some configurations might even offer 16 GB of RAM, making it one of the most powerful tablets available. Storage options will likely start at 256 GB, with the possibility of microSD expansion up to 1 TB, allowing users to store large files, apps, and media without worrying about space limitations. Battery life is a crucial factor for large-screen tablets, and Samsung is expected to equip the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra with a massive 11,800 mAh battery. This should provide long hours of usage for entertainment, productivity, and gaming. Additionally, the tablet is rumored to support 45W fast charging, ensuring quick recharges for users who are always on the go. However, it remains unclear whether Samsung will include a charger in the box or if it will need to be purchased separately. While tablets are not typically known for their cameras, Samsung appears to be enhancing this aspect with the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. The rear is expected to feature a dual-camera setup, including a 50MP main sensor for high-quality photos and videos and an 8MP ultra-wide lens for capturing more expansive shots. On the front, the tablet may house dual 12MP selfie cameras, ensuring clear video calls and sharp selfies, making it an excellent choice for professionals attending virtual meetings and students participating in online classes. In terms of connectivity, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is expected to support multiple options, including 5G, 4G, and Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring fast and reliable internet access. Bluetooth 5.4 will likely be included for seamless pairing with wireless accessories such as headphones and keyboards. However, it is unlikely that the tablet will feature a 3.5mm headphone jack, meaning users will need to rely on Bluetooth or USB-C headphones. As Samsung has yet to officially confirm the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, its price remains speculative. However, reports suggest that the tablet could launch at approximately $1,500, positioning it as a premium device aimed at professionals, students, and tech enthusiasts who require a powerful tablet for work and entertainment. The expected release date is sometime between mid to late 2025, though this may vary depending on Samsung's production schedule and market conditions. If the rumors hold true, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra will be a serious competitor to the Apple iPad Pro and other high-end tablets. With its premium display, top-tier performance, long battery life, and productivity-focused features, it has the potential to become the ultimate tablet for both work and entertainment. As we await Samsung's official announcement, more leaks and details may emerge in the coming months. Stay tuned for further updates on this highly anticipated device.